Make a doll bathtub, a cradle, a bed, or an entire house. Make a swim ring, or create a dress out of a bottle. It's really easy. Watch new awesome life hacks for your favorite dolls in our new video. Welcome to our style clinic for dolls. A wide range of wellness services for toys. Our methods include glitter and beauty. The first treatment is a refreshing pool. And the dolls need the most beautiful swim rings for it. Shape light pink clay into a ring. Attach a flamingo head to it. When dry, color the flamingo with acrylic paints. Make swim rings of different colors and shapes the same way. Now, LOL dolls can safely swim in the pool. You can see right away that only the most experienced professionals work in this style clinic. It seems like there is a dirty patient in our clinic. This Barbie hasn't had a bath since she was assembled at the factory. She smells so bad. Only surgery can help us out. Dr. Beauty, take a chill pill. This patient just needs a hot bath. Take the lid off an oval container for dry food. Take a flap out of it. Cut one curve off a plastic hanger. Cut little plastic caps in half and hot glue them to both sides of a measuring cup. These will be bathtub legs. Color the details with white and gold spray paint. Hot glue the white bathtub to the golden legs. Attach the golden tap made from the hanger. Fasten decorative beads to be tap handles. Hot glue the flap from the lid as a shelf. Make a soft loofah from tulle. Attach a thread loop to it. Cut a miniature soap out of a regular one. Fill mini bottles with body products. Attach printed mini labels. Cover the bottles with colored caps. Put the body products onto the shelf. Fill the bathtub with foam. We put our patient into the warm bathtub. Now that's what we call relaxation. An additional treatment is shoulder and neck massage. Barbie loves it. Her pores are open and her skin shines. And the best part is the beautiful smell. Barbie looks fresh and renewed after the bath. And Dr. Vanessa Style has already come up with a new look for her. Let's make a stylish leather suit. Cut suit pieces out of leather fabric. Make a rectangle to fit Barbie's back and a cut-off cone with a cut in the center to be the length of Barbie's legs. Hot glue the pieces. Fold the rectangle in half and make a triangular fold on both sides. Hot glue an elastic ribbon loop. Wrap the pants around Barbie's waist. Fasten them with a toy belt. Put on the jacket by passing the fabric through the loop. Barbie is wearing a new suit and a new makeup look. And a new hairstyle? She looks completely different. The doctors in the Style Clinic did a great job. They deserve the highest Barbie reward. Dr. Style conducts a scientific investigation, the reaction of doll bodies to low temperatures. We need to use a simple formula so that Barbie doesn't catch a cold. Earmuffs plus a scarf equals warmth. Cut a protective ring off a paint jar. Cut 1/3 off little pom-poms and hot glue them to the arch like earmuffs. We put the new accessories onto our Barbie. Now her neck and ears are safe, and she definitely won't catch cold. Good job, Dr. Style! Two patients with similar problems come to the clinic at the same time. The dolls are suffering from a lack of accessories. A doctor's best helper is a Band-Aid. It will always help you out, but not in this case. Well, we will go back to traditional beauty treatment. Hair ties and toy rings are a perfect source of doll accessories. Use hair ties as headbands for LOL dolls. And put on toy rings as hairpins. LOL dolls are very demanding. It's not that easy to please them, but they love their hairpins made from rings. And a simple, cute tulle dress is the fastest method of fashion therapy. Cut the top off a little balloon. Cut out 4 holes for arms and legs. Put the balloon onto a doll like a bodysuit. Pass an elastic cord through a strip of tulle and slightly gather the fabric. Shape a skirt and tie a knot. Put the skirt on top of the bodysuit. Add a tulle bow as a hair accessory. The LOL doll looks like a pink candy. Our client is satisfied, and our doctors prove their style professionalism once again. Our final treatment is glittering pink snow. An accident happened at our style clinic. Report it to security immediately. Our patient ran away and left an empty bed. Coat wooden coffee stirrers with white paint. Take a rectangular piece of a thick foam rubber sheet and hot glue the sticks along the perimeter. Make poles and a triangular roof. Put in a soft sponge pillow and a felt cover. Pass a string through bright pom-poms. Wrap the garland you get around the top of the bed. Well, these dolls need a lot of attention. You turn away and your patient is gone. Dr. Beauty wants to lure the patient with a delicious milkshake, but it's all for nothing. Our doctors are genius. They know how to lure any toy. You need to build a dollhouse and wait. Cut one side off an empty milk carton. Cover the outside with blue paper. Attach pink paper to the inside. Print out doors and windows on self-adhesive paper and fasten them outside. Hot glue a cardboard partition to make 2 floors. Make window blinders from corrugated cardboard and hot glue them inside. Paint the cap pink. This is a chimney on the roof. It seems we will have to wait for a long time. The house is empty and no one wants to move in. We've got an idea! We need to fill the house with furniture, a wardrobe and a vanity table, and then patients will flood in. Coat a tin box with acrylic paint. Cut mirror cardboard into strips to fit the size of the box, and put them inside as wardrobe shelves. Attach a logo to the door and glue mirror strips. We add a toy wardrobe. It is already filled with LOL stuff. And we put an elegant vanity table on the first floor. Use an empty makeup container. Attach mirror cardboard to the top and hot glue a foam rubber sheet to the bottom. Decorate it with rhinestones. Cover 2 pieces of cardboard tube with a textured foam rubber sheet. Hot glue a foam rubber sheet circle to the smaller tube. This will be a little stool, and hot glue the makeup container to the other tube. Once we put in some furniture, the LOL doll comes back right away. Now she has a place to live, because everyone has to feel comfy in our style and beauty clinic. And when the patient falls asleep, we can continue the doll treatment. We have a seriously ill patient on our operating table. Barbie was diagnosed with an acute lack of fulfillment and elegance right before the ball. Our doctor, Melissa Beauty, and surgeon, Vanessa Style, take on this medical case. Our patient has a high fever caused by desperation and plastic fainting. The doctors make a decision to perform a surgery right now. Cut a frame out of plastic bottles of different sizes. Take a ring from a big bottle and tape it to the tripod. Attach a smaller ring on top. Wrap the frame in 2 layers of tulle. Fasten it with thread. Sew a skirt on top. It should be shaped like a half of a circle. Fasten 2 wide satin ribbons on top. This will be the top of the gown. Decorate it with lace. Put the gown onto your doll. Tie the ribbons to make a bow. We take the bandages off after the extensive surgery. This is so puffy and glamorous. Let's check the result. The dress on the frame fits like a glove. Barbie is ready to conquer any ball. Our surgery was a success. Good job, plastic surgeons! The doctors are taking a rest after a long shift, but the doll world doesn't sleep. Someone's crying. We need to calm down this baby doll. Shh! Maybe we need to make it laugh or give it some tea. But Dr. Style came up with a better idea. This baby doll needs a stylish cradle. Take an oval plastic container. Cut a strip of glittering felt to be of the same height as the container using scrapbooking scissors. Trace the bottom of the container twice. Cut out one piece using scrapbooking scissors and the other piece using regular ones. Decorate the edge of a rectangular piece of fabric with a braid ribbon. Hot glue the ends. Sew the other side by gathering the fabric. Hot glue the plastic container to the bottom of a plastic cup. And put on the fabric case. Sew a piece of a satin ribbon to make folds. And hot glue it to the top as a frill. Attach felt inside the container. Decorate the borders with the braid ribbon. Put in a sheet and a pillow. Cover your baby doll with a felt blanket. Our doctors are specialists in many areas, even in doll pediatrics. The baby doll quickly calms down in this beautiful and soft cradle. Did you like our doll life hacks? Then write in the comments which ideas you will use for your Barbie and LOL dolls. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new toy life hacks on Troom.